TAO. Okay, so here we are for TAO. Okay, TAO is a little bit tricky. Tricky in the sense that, one, we are under the skinny pink line. Two, this could also turn bullish in the sense that this could be an ABCDE kind of a squeeze as we break higher, right? But as it stands, I'm gonna lean with the bearish side of things because, let me tell you why. Because one, we're under the skinny pink line. Two, okay, at what point will we consider the bullish possibility for Bittensor? Once we take out these highs over here, once we cross back into $500. Right now, this could just be a rally for a potential drop down for a mountain range as we head lower. Absolute possibility. But at the same time, right, once we take out these highs, more likely than not, we're going to take out these highs. And then after that, we'll probably get something like an ascending triangle for Bittensor. Very big accumulation. Pump. It breaks higher. It breaks $1,000. Possibly. So that's TAO for you. Is TAO a legit project? Yes, it is. Is there a possibility that just because it's a legit project that it can't fall? No, it's still possible that TAO could fall. But this could turn two ways. Okay, let me just show you. Recently, there was another coin. It looked like this. The coin is called Floki. Right. Sorry, the coin is not called... Is it called Floki? Yes, Floki. Yes, sir. So for Floki, right, if you look very carefully, if we do a replay over here, here, okay. When Floki was like that, right, it was under the skinny pink line. So when Floki was like that, I was like, could Floki be doing something like this, right? A squeeze and then we break higher, right? Case in point, something like this. You see, a squeeze and we break higher. Case in point here as well, something like a squeeze, break higher. So is there a possibility that Floki could complete another squeeze over here and, as you know, it hits higher? Yeah, sure, of course. But eventually, what happened for Floki? Yeah, it dropped lower. It just dropped lower. And it took out the lows over here. It took out all the classes of cells here. And it dropped much lower. So for me, Floki is already in a bearish trend. We're already under the skinny pink line. Even when it was already skimming, right, the skinny pink line. Yes, we did rally, but yeah, eventually we headed lower for Floki. So as it stands, I'm expecting Floki to head back towards sub 4,000. We're at 9,948. So much more downside is to be expected for Floki. Okay, we're not doing Floki, we're doing TAO. So I just want to show you what's the similarities. So it's the same thing over here. So there is that possibility that TAO could still drop lower. Clear all these classes of cells as we head towards this noisy area over here at sub 100. So again, we need more time to come to a conclusion whether if this is going to remain in a bearish trend or if we're going to be switching the trend to bullish. So the skinny pink line and these highs, right? These are the two levels that you want to be looking at